Welcome back to my channel. Today we will be unboxing the rest of my November boxes, and I've only got 3 left, but let's go ahead and get into it. The first one is Petit Vour. This is, I believe, I want to say it's $18 a month. I can't remember. But anyways, I will have the prices of each of these boxes on the screen. This one is always vegan and cruelty free. It has deluxe sample sizes and sometimes full sizes, so let's go ahead and open it. All right, first thing we got here is the card right here. This is the theme for the month, and on the back side we always have the items with the price and a little bit of information about the products. First thing we have here is David's Premium Natural Toothpaste. This is whitening, anti-plaque fresh breath right here. This is $4. It's made with coconut charcoal for enhancing enamel safe whitening. I typically don't like charcoal toothpaste, and the reason why is it's just messy to use. Doesn't mean it's not a bad product. Charcoal products are great products. I just don't like the mess it leaves in the sink. So for that reason, this is going to go into the next large giveaway. The next thing I got here is Busy Co biodegradable hand wipes, and this retails for $2. It says, wave hello to soft, youthful looking hands. No harshness, no drying, no damage, clean, just clean, smooth, beautiful skin. Okay, so I'm sure, I don't know if this container is biodegradable, but the hand wipes are. So that is definitely a good thing. This is good for sticking in my purse, so I'm definitely going to be using that. The next thing we have is Aether Beauty Eyeshadow Single. This retails for $10. Its pigments of topaz, amethyst, and other crystals illuminate the eye, while coconut and shea butter create a smooth, buttery texture for one swipe application. So I generally don't use singles very much because I have so many palettes, so this is also going to go into the next large giveaway. Alright, the next thing I got here is Chic Botanica Serene Serum, and that is what it looks like. It says, this ultra calming facial serum is the answer to sensitive skin, a blend of therapeutic botanical oils including blue tansy and lapis lazuli combined to soothe and balance the skin that is irritated, red, uneven in tone, and blemish prone or tired. So that is definitely a product I will be using. I just love the sound of it. I think this is I'm just excited, really. I don't really have any thoughts, but I am very excited about it. Next box here is the Kinder Beauty box. This is an every month subscription. Of course, the price for this subscription is listed on the screen. And if you ever are interested in subscribing to any of these boxes, I always have it linked down below in the description. So let's go ahead and get into this box. Okay, so this is the card for this month. And this is the items that are in the box with the price and a brief description. The first thing we got here is bonus. This is the Vahadam Teas Lemon Ginger. That is what it looks like. Does not have a price here. I'm typically not into green teas, but I do like ginger tea because it's really good for calming your stomach. So I may or may not use this. I have no idea. All right, the first thing we got here is Luxie Beauty Powder Blender Sponge, and this retails for $18. You can never have too many blenders, so definitely gonna keep that. I think I typically use all the blenders for foundation. I know it says powder, but I don't bake, so I'll probably still use it for a foundation even though it's meant for powder. The next thing we have here is Source Vital Hair and Scalp Elixir. This retails for $22.95. It says, whether your scalp is oily, clogged, or dry, this Excelsior, is here to save your mane. It contains a powerful blend of essential oils designed to prevent the appearance of dandruff and support strong hair follicles for gorgeous, healthy hair. Not really sure how I feel about it, but I will give it a try because, I mean, I've damaged my hair, so maybe it'll help restore it. We'll see. The next thing we got here is Honua Skincare. This is a Hawaiian skincare brand, so I'm sure I mispronounce everything. This is the I'm sure I'm saying that wrong, face mist. That is what it looks like. This here retails for $18. This face mist contains anti-inflammatory ingredients like aloe, along with breakout busting ingredients like witch hazel and Hawaiian sandalwood, vetiver, neroli, and calming blue tansy spray for a mental and facial reset. So I definitely will be using that. I love my face mist and will be using. Okay, the next thing we got here is Luxie Naturals Whipped Cocoa and Eucalyptus Foot Balm. Next up on your self-care list, your feet. And this here retails for $18. That is what it looks like. It says this luscious foot balm contains cocoa butter, shea butter, and soothing oils to heal cracks and dryness on one of our most used appendages. So definitely will be using this. I feel like when you're on your feet a lot, which I am during the day, it's really good to take care of your feet. So this is definitely something I will be using. Okay, the next thing we got is Wonder Beauty Glow Highlighter. This retails for $30. It says this champagne color highlighter contains light reflecting pigment to make those cheekbones pop, sunflower seed oil to keep your skin moisturized, and elderwise flower extract to help reduce the appearance of fine lines. So that is good for us aging beauties. This is what the container looks like. And let's see what the color looks like. Oh yeah, I am going to be needing to use this. This is really pretty. It's not really picking up how reflectant it is, but it is super reflectant. So I'm gonna go ahead and swatch it. This is extremely velvety to the touch, so I am super thrilled about this. This is gorgeous. All right, last boxer bag is my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. That is what it looks like for this month. I think it's really pretty. All right, so I don't have a card for my Ipsy to show you the prices, but I will have them listed on the screen. I did have a few add-ons and I'm going to show you. The first add-on I got is this eye primer from Anastasia. The next thing I got is this makeup blending sponge. This, I'm not sure who this is from, but anyways, that is what it looks like. Again, you can never have too many beauty sponges. And then I also got these face masks. They're both from the Crème Shop. The first one here is B12 Complex Infused Essence Mask, and this other one is Rose Water Infused Essence Mask. All right, so for the actual items, I did pick most of this, so I can already tell you that I'm probably gonna keep most of this, but let's go ahead and look in. The first thing I got is Thrive Causemetics Orchid Stem Cell Complex. This is a length, volume, longer, plus, oh, I guess that's just another language, I'm sorry. Liquid Lash Extensions Mascara. I have used this mascara before. I absolutely love it. This is probably my favorite mascara. It definitely does make your eyelashes look like they're fake. It builds kind of like a tube around the lashes, and it really does extend it. So I highly recommend this mascara if you ever get a chance to try it. This is what the tube looks like. Next thing we got here is Eloise Glitter Jewels. This is liquid eyeshadow. This I probably will not keep, even though I absolutely love glitter, and the reason for not keeping it is I don't really use liquid light eyeshadows on my eyes very much because they don't wear very well. Something about my eyelids makes them crease and not last, so I really don't like that. But let's go ahead and see what this looks like. So this is the color. It's very pretty. I actually really do like it, but again, liquid eyeliner or eyeshadows just don't wear well on me. So yeah, passing that along. That's going into my next large giveaway. Okay, next we got Il Maquillage lip color. Let's see, does it say the shade? The shade is Dirty Talk Elva, I guess. This is what the box. This is what the tube looks like. That is very cool looking. I do like that. Let's see what the color is. This is definitely a color I will wear. Let me show you what that looks like. And I will swatch it. That is really pretty. I really do like this color. Look at it. It has, it's not really red and it's not really blush. It's somewhere in between, but it is a really beautiful color. Next we have a Kimchi Chic in Tyler Blush. This is an indie brand, and I've actually been really wanting to try this brand, so I'm really excited about this. I gotta show you this container. This is super cute. Look at that. It is a heart. Very cute. And this is in shade Pinky Rose. So those are the colors. Do you see the two pinks there? This is such cute packaging. I'm so excited about this. Let's go ahead and swatch. These are the blush colors. They actually feel very velvety, so I'm very excited to be using this. Very beautiful packaging, beautiful shades. I'm so thrilled about it. Okay, the last thing in the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus is Nomad Venice Simplon Express. This is a carry-on eyeshadow palette. If you don't know already, I am very much so obsessed with this brand. Their formula is just wonderful and blends well, wears well, and I can't say enough about how great I love, or how much I love this particular brand. This is what the palette itself looks like, and you know I'm going to keep it because I'm so obsessed with this brand. These are the eyeshadows. This is actually a really great palette for winter. I think I might have to do a look with it. I'm gonna go ahead and swatch these and I'll be right back. Here are the colors swatched, and they are just as creamy and pigmented as I thought they would be, and they swatched beautifully. I am thrilled about it. I'm definitely gonna have to do a look at with it, but that is it of my boxes for the month. If you liked this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Let me know your thoughts on the items in the boxes below, and if you like more content like this, please don't forget to subscribe. Otherwise, I will see you in my next video.